Hello and welcome to this video. Before we get started, please grab your Section 3 from your pardon application. Also, you're going to need your official court document in order to help you complete Section 3. So without further ado, let's get started. Now, for this fictitious example, the date of the incident was 7/7/2005. The offense, retail theft. The OTN number, C000251-8. Scroll down. Next, you're going to describe the incident and how you were involved. Where were you? What exactly did you do? And how were you caught? So I took the liberty to come up with a kind of a bogus example just to show you what type of information goes into this section. So just bear with me a moment. So as you can see, I just came up with a brief example just to show you guys what type of information should go into this section. However, when you're actually entering the information yourself into Section 3, make sure you describe the incident and how you were involved, where were you, what exactly did you do, and how were you caught. Also, if you need an additional room to enter more information, you just have to check this box right here and look inside your pardon packet. There should be, I think, an additional maybe one or two additional supplemental pages related to Section 3. If not, you can always go to the Board of Pardons website and download an extra form. One of the last things I'll say before I wrap up this video is that any incident that did not take place on the same day, or that is not listed on the docket number or OTM number, must have a separate Section 3 form for the incident. So for example, let's just say in 2001 I was charged for retail theft, but then in 2004 I was charged with aggravated assault. If I was trying to seek a pardon for those incidents, then I would have to use two separate Section 3 forms. So just make sure that you keep that in mind as you're completing this section. So as I wrap up this video, please make sure you take your time completing the pardon application. Also, make sure you subscribe. Thank you and good luck.